The Sumitomo Wiring Systems Group has been providing our customers all over the world with the best products as a global wiring harness supplier. Based on these achievements, we have continued to develop technologies connect with the best, and we aim to be an indispensable presence for our customers around the world. A mega supplier with wiring harnesses as our core product. Sumitomo Wiring Systems, Sumitomo Electric Industries, and Auto Networks Technologies are closely collaborating as one entity, symbolized by the key words for the automobile industry around the world: connected, autonomous, and electric. Increasing convenience by being connected, the combination of our technologies connecting components and systems within vehicles, technologies from Sumitomo Electric Industries to connect vehicles with society, and Auto Networks Technologies' R&D capabilities help support society's use of connected cars. In addition, we contribute to safety by providing the power and information networks that support further progress of autonomous. We are also helping preserve the environment with products and technologies for handling large currents in electric vehicles. Our increasing lineup of electronic components for connected, autonomous, and electric vehicles is keeping pace with the evolution of the automobile. Connecting these devices and supplying electric power and information throughout automobiles are the wiring harnesses. With wiring harnesses as the company's core business, the Sumitomo Wiring Systems Group also develops electronic products for electronic control of vehicles, products for hybrid and electric vehicles, and other top-quality products. We are contributing to greater safety, environmental friendliness, and convenience with products and technologies that our customers trust and rely on. Connect with the best. Our aims are greater safety, more convenience, and to be better to the environment. The Sumitomo Wiring Systems Group now proudly embarks on its next 100 years as a global mega supplier.